All right, and I'm here with?
Tanay.
Okay, and can you tell me a bit about yourself, please?
So my name is Tanay. I'm 16 and I study at the Tanay. I like studying biology, chemistry, and math, and hopefully I want to go into biology and medicine in the future.
Okay, and your project, can you talk a bit about it, please?
Yeah, so in my project, I tried to evaluate the efficiency of storing text and information into DNA-based sequences. So I created a program which allows you to convert your text into a base sequence and then back. And then I explored how we can bring this idea into reality.
And what gave you this idea? What interests have you in this that led to this conclusion of a subject?
So I saw this really interesting TED talk a few months ago, and that really inspired me to do more research into this project. And I think it's very interesting because we're moving into a more digital world, and it's very important to incorporate science to maximize the potentials of both.
Okay, now you met the jury. What's your impression? You think you have your shot?
I hope they liked it. They seemed to laugh from time to time, and I think they enjoyed it. Their questions were also very interesting. So.
Okay, now after the event, after the competition, are you still going to research into your subject? Are you still going to put some effort into it?
No, of course. Hopefully, I'd like to encode a strand with actual text sometime, but I'm going to do more research into this. I've also seen that you can convert pictures into base sequences, and I think that's an aspect I would like to explore sometime.
Okay, and how far are you wishing for your subject to go? You think it could sometime reach a huge company or whatever?
I think this project really is the future of storage because it maximizes space, efficiency, and cost. So I think it's going to become a really important thing at some point.
All right, I totally agree. Thank you very much.